నితిన్ గడ్కరీ గారిని మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా కోరుతా ఉన్నాను. సార్, ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ యూ టు ప్లీజ్ అడ్రస్ ది crowds.
Honorable Chief Minister, respectable Chandrababu Naidu ji, my senior colleague in the cabinet, Venkaiah ji, Honorable Vice Chaudhary ji, Deputy CM Chinna Rajappa ji, your popular MP who always making follow-up for this project, K. Sineni Nani ji, Sri K. Haribabu, our party president in Andhra Pradesh, and MP from Rajya Sabha, Honorable Sri Gangaraju, all minister, MLAs and dignitaries on the dais, Central Minister Vice Chaudhary ji, and all respectable dignitaries on the dais. It's really a great project, and which is a historical and critical project. And because of strong political will of Chandrababu ji and Andhra Pradesh government, now we are in position to start this project. First of all, I am giving lot of congratulations to Honorable Chief Minister and his government for giving all utility shifting, electricity line shifting, all the work. The Andhra Pradesh government just complete this work within 20 days. That's why I am giving a lot of congratulations for your fast track decision making process. Sir, in the country, the one thing is very important, that the politics of 21st century is the politics for progress and development. And it is a great pleasure and pride for me that Chandrababu ji is a leader with a vision. I always say that you can donate eye, but you cannot donate vision. The lack of vision for the development is most important. Fast track decision making process, and by which we can make the development process fast. Today, as far as the Andhra Pradesh development is concerned, the way in which the Honorable Chief Minister planning the vision for the state and the ability which he have, I am 100% confident that with the cooperation of the central government, Chandrababu ji will succeed to take Andhra Pradesh in 5 developmental states in the country, and that is the track record already he have, and I feel that he will be succeed in his mission. As far as development is concerned, the two sectors are very important. One is industry and other is agriculture. For industry, you need water, power, transport and communication. And for agriculture, you need water, power, seed, fertilizer and capital. But today, in Narendra Modi ji's leadership, where he is very much committed for the progress and development of the country, our Prime Minister's dream is to make India one of the progressive developmental #1 country in the world, and that is the dream of our Honorable Prime Minister. And for that we need the process of development we have to accelerate. And I am responsible for the road sector. In the speech, Honorable Member of Parliament giving reference regarding the statement of ex-American President John Kennedy. There is a famous statement from John Kennedy, he always say, it's a very important statement, that American roads are not good because America is rich, but America is rich because American roads are good. So road is a very important thing. And at a time when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the Prime Minister, I was Minister in Maharashtra, I got appointed to construct Mumbai-Pune Express Highway, 55 flyovers in Mumbai, and Worli-Bandra sealing project in the sea. And because of that, my experience, Narendra Modi ji gave me responsibility about road construction in the country. When I taken charge as a minister, it was only 2 kilometers per day road construction was there. And today, it is a great pride and pleasure for me that today it is 18 kilometers per day road construction is going on. And our target is before end of March, it is 30 kilometers per day. Today, as far as Andhra Pradesh is concerned, really there are a lot of expectation of Chief Minister Chandrababu ji from me, he gave me lot of letters related with asking me for giving more national highway for Andhra Pradesh. And yesterday, I taken all briefing for my department. And today, I am definitely going to announce you the historical present from my central government, which is under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. And your government and Chandrababu ji is our close associate. And I remember, he is our true friend of NDA. And as a NDA partner, always, he maintained good relationship with our leadership. And this is one of the things that I am very much appreciating his leadership. We are fully support him. And it is responsibility to give him more strength to fulfill the satisfaction of the people of Andhra Pradesh. Today in Andhra Pradesh, already the projects going on, that is the cost is 15,000 crores. 31 projects of 9,875 crores with 1,580 kilometer length. The projects are in progress. Out of which 2 projects are delayed of 48 kilometers, the cost of 201.73 crores. And the projects are delayed because of some land acquisition problem and some design in bridge. There are some problems are there. So totally, for this year, already the old project which have been already started and sanctioned, that all cost comes to 15,000 crores. And today, you are expecting some new announcement from me. 180 kilometer outer ring road around Vijayawada with tentative cost of 20,000 crore. Because Chief Minister is planning it at a Axis Control Express Highway, 8-lane. Honorable Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu is a visionary. And always it is a great satisfaction for me that his vision and my vision is nearly one is the same. And that is one of the reasons that this Axis Control Express Highway, it is very important. It will be designed for 150 kilometer to 200 kilometer per hour. I am going to start the work of Meerut bypass from Delhi to Meerut. Now it is taking 3 hours. And next month we are going to start that express highway, Axis Control Express Highway. Now that distance will be only in 40 minutes. In Mumbai, Pune, when I construct the first express highway of the country, the total time for Mumbai to Pune was 9 hours. And today it is 1.5 hours because of the high speed on the rail, on the express highway. So I feel that already the land acquisition and particularly the alignment which Andhra Pradesh government has to finalize. After receiving this proposal, we will make the DPR and we will make this highway, Axis Control Express Highway of international standard, which cost is 20,000 crores. I have already declared 788 kilometer new national highway in 2015 and 16. Preparation of DPR are being done, and this is the cost for which highway is 8,000 crore. Honorable Chief Minister, I will promise you, we will start all this work of 8,000 crore before the end of December for next year. The new NH 544D,
విజయవాడలో దుర్గగుడి ఫ్లైఓవర్ శంకుస్థాపన కార్యక్రమం జరిగింది. ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి కేంద్ర మంత్రి వెంకయ్యనాయుడు అలాగే నితిన్ గడ్కరీతో పాటు పలువురు తెలుగుదేశం పార్టీ నాయకులు కూడా హాజరయ్యారు. కేంద్ర మంత్రి వెంకయ్యనాయుడు మాట్లాడుతూ రాష్ట్రానికి కేంద్రం తరపు నుంచి ఎంత సహాయం చేయాలో అంత తప్పకుండా చేస్తామని ఆయన హామీ ఇచ్చారు. ఇవి ఇప్పటివరకు ఉన్న బులెటిన్ అప్డేట్స్. మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్తో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. నమస్తే.